Have you ever heard of the term dog whistling? And did you know this is actually a very common tactic by narcissists? Dog whistling is, in my opinion, one of the most conniving forms of mental abuse that narcissists do. They do this in public. Dog whistling is where the narcissist is going to bring up a topic of discussion or use words or phrases that they know triggers you, but to everybody else around you, it sounds just like normal conversation. And they do this on purpose because they know that it's going to get under your skin. But if you react to it because it sounds like normal conversation to everybody else, you're literally going to look insane because they heard something completely different than you did. It's essentially the abusive version of an inside joke.